Hi, my name is Julia Perlis, and I'm a Principal Product Manager with the Workflow Automation team. And today we're going to talk about decision tables. One of the questions we commonly encounter is how can business stakeholders manage decisions? Some business stakeholders are quite comfortable with ServiceNow development and are regularly working in subprod environments, building flows, processes, playbooks, or decisions. But this video is meant to cover those business users who either have more limited access and familiarity with ServiceNow, or who are not working in ServiceNow at all. We'll talk about the two different avenues that admins can use to grant access to manage business rules and decision rules via decision tables. The first is giving users access to manage rules in ServiceNow, and the second is to manage rules via Excel. Admins can apply roles and permissions to limit user access to decision tables. The first role they can use is the decision author role. This role gives users full control over the rows in decision tables. Users can add new rows, delete rows, specify conditions, and set result values. However, users can't modify the decision table structure, which includes the inputs and the columns in this decision table. This protects against the possibility of a business user changing the structure of a table without understanding where that table is used, like a flow or a script that is expecting a specific format and structure. For even more limited access, admins can grant users the decision result editor role. This role is intended for users who are not changing any of the logic in their decision table, but they are changing the result values. With this role, users can change values in the result columns, but they can't modify the decision table structure, and they can't add or delete rows or modify condition cells. The third approach for managing decision tables by business users within ServiceNow is to give these users delegated development access. Delegated development access gives users full access to decision tables for a specific scope. So this would limit them to a specific application, but would require that the users have knowledge of how to create the structure of a decision table, as well as the content of it in the decision rows. The other approach to managing decision rules by business stakeholders is to manage rules in Excel. Business users can work on decisions in Excel and import them back into ServiceNow. Once a decision table has inputs and columns, a developer can export that decision table to Excel. Business users can then fill out rules in the Excel template with validations and pre-populated drop-down options. As you can see here, the possible values for results, if there's a reference result, are available within that Excel template. The Excel template also includes drop-downs for operators and any choice values, and has rules in place to ensure that business users follow the validations that are applied within the ServiceNow interface. Completed Excel templates can then be imported back into ServiceNow. The import will identify errors and provide resolution instructions in case there are any challenges with that import, and the developer can partner with the business user to rectify any errors and allow for re-upload. Thank you for your time. I hope this answered the question of how business stakeholders can use decision tables, and that it encourages better partnership between your business stakeholders and developers when managing application logic. Thank you.